So that will be 980 into 360. So that will be 1340 liter. Okay. Hi, welcome back to our channel AnganaStudyCenter. In previous class, we have learned up to 9.1 exercise. Okay, that means the straight line of class 11, chapter number 9. Okay, in this class, we are know about various form of equation of line. Okay, so let's start our class. Let in coordinate plane, this is x dash, this is y dash. Okay, let a line parallel to x axis and distance a unit. Okay, and another line distance a unit in the, this is O. So this line is parallel to x axis and this line also parallel to x axis. Here what is the equation of the line? Here, if any line parallel to the axis, if it is parallel to x axis, then the equation will be y equal to a for this line. Okay, as a in the positive direction, and for this line the equation of this line y is equal to minus a. Okay, if this is parallel to x axis. Okay, this is y equal to minus a, this is y equal to a. Okay, clear? And similarly, if in coordinate plane, if any line parallel to y axis, that means with a distance a, or parallel to y axis with a distance a. Okay, this is the negative side and this is the positive side. So for this case, this line, the line which is in the positive direction, whose equation will be x equal to a, and which is in the negative direction, the equation of that line will be x equal to minus a. Okay, so this should be remembered. Okay, clear? Let's look at this example. Find the equation of the line parallel to axis passing through the point minus 2, 3. Okay, so we have learned previously the line parallel to x axis. Okay, and passing through minus 2, 3. Okay, sorry, the equation of the line parallel to x axis and passing through minus 2, 3. Okay, so we write here just y equal to, in previous we know y equal to a if the distance from x axis is a. Here the distance from x axis is 3, so y equal to 3. Okay, and the equation of the line parallel to y axis and passing through minus 2, 3 will be x equal to minus 2. Okay, this is a example. Okay, clear? Now we will learn about the point slope form. What is the point slope form? Let this is a xy plane, x, this is y. Okay, and a line. Okay, this is L line, and here P0 is a fixed point, x0, y0. Okay, and here is a arbitrary point P whose coordinate is xy. Okay, and the slope of this line is m. Okay, then the equation of this line will be, the equation of the line L will be y minus y0 equal to m into x minus x0. Okay, this should be remembered. Point slope form. Now look at this question. Find the equation of the line through minus 2, 3 with slope minus 4. So we use this formula. Okay, if there is slope is given and the line passing through a point, so the equation will be, equation of the line is what? Here just write here y minus y0 equal to here 3, m equal to minus 4, x minus x0 equal to minus 2, that means minus minus plus 2. Okay, just rearrange this, 4x plus y minus 3 plus 8 equal to 0, or 4x plus y plus 5 equal to 0. Okay, very easy. Now we will learn about if there is 2 point is given and the line passing through that 2 point. Okay, so just look here, this is x, this is y, this is a coordinate plane and a line L, okay. Here P is a arbitrary point xy, okay, and here P1 whose coordinate is x1 y1, okay, and here P2 whose coordinate is x2 y2. So this line is passing through P1 and P2, okay. So then the equation of the line will be, the equation of the line L is, here just write here y minus y1, okay, equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. This is the formula of slope we previously known, okay. So this formula should be remembered, okay. Now look at this question, write the equation of the line through the point 1, -1 and 3 and 5. So this is x1, this is y1 and this is x2, this is y2. So the equation of the line is, right here y minus y1 equal to -1, so this will be plus 1 into here y2 minus y1, that means 5 minus y1 equal to -1, that means this will be plus 1, okay, by x2 minus x1, that means 3 minus 1 into x minus x1, x1 equal to 1, so that will be the equation of the line, that means y plus 1 equal to 6 divided by 2, x minus 1, so 2y plus 2, sorry, so this will be cancelled out 3, or y plus 1 minus 3x plus 3 equal to 0, or 3x minus y minus 4 equal to 0, that will be your answer, okay. Now we will learn about the slope intercept form. So this is a coordinate plane, okay, and a line L, okay, and let this line cut the y axis at 0, c, okay. So this c, that means this distance c is called y intercept, okay, c distance is called y intercept, okay, and the equation of the line will be, what will be, here the slope of the line is m, okay. So we have previously known a line passing through a particular point and his slope is m, then we write here y minus y1 equal to c, and we write here the slope into x minus the value of x, that means the point x1 equal to 0, so this will be y is equal to mx plus c, okay. This is the equation of the line. If this line, okay, if this line cut x axis at d, 0, okay, okay, then the distance d is called x intercept, okay, x intercept, this is y intercept, then the equation of the line will be, y minus, here y1 equal to 0 and slope is m, x minus d, okay. So y is equal to mx minus d is the equation of the line, okay, clear. Now look at this, write the equation of the line for which tan theta equal to half. We know m equal to tan theta, where theta is the inclination of the line with the positive direction of x axis, here theta is the inclination of the line, and y intercept is minus 3 by 2 and x intercept is 4. So we have known for the case 1, when y intercept is minus 3 by 2, then the equation of the line y minus y intercept mean minus 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2 equal to m into x minus 0. Y intercept mean the distance, okay. So x minus 0, why? Just look here, just here the point intercept mean this point, so this will be 0, minus 3 by 2, okay, this is the theta angle, okay. So here m equal to tan theta, that means theta is the inclination of the line. So this equation will be y plus 3 by 2 equal to m equal to tan theta, that means 1 by 2 into x, or 2y plus 3 equal to x, or x minus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. Okay. This is the equation when y intercept is minus 3 by 2, and for the case 2 when x intercept is 4, the equation will be 4 mean, just look here 4 comma 0, that means y minus 0 equal to m into x minus 4. Okay, so that will be y equal to half of x minus 4, that means 2y minus x plus 4 equal to 0. Okay, that will be your answer. Now we will learn about the general intercept form of a line. Suppose this is a coordinate plane, okay, and a line intercept y axis at 0 comma b point and intercept x axis at a comma 0 point. Okay, so this is the x1 y1, okay, and this is the x2 y2, and this is the line N. Okay, so the equation of the line will be, just x by a plus y by b equal to 1. This should be remembered. Okay, just look at this question. Find the equation of the line which makes intercept minus 3 and 2 on the x axis and y axis respectively. Okay, so if we draw the coordinate plane, okay, this line like this, that means this is the 0 comma 2 point and this is the minus 3 comma 0 point. So the equation will be x divided by minus 3 plus y divided by 2 equal to 1. Just okay, that will be your answer. 2x minus 3y plus 6 equal to 0. Okay, just look at this question. In example 1 to 8, find the equation of the line which satisfy the given condition. Okay, so for this first, write the equation for x and y axis. So we have learned the line parallel to x axis and parallel to y axis. So here, if that is the x axis and y axis, so the line parallel to x axis, the equation, okay, equation of the line parallel to x axis is y equal to 0, and the equation of the line parallel to y axis is x equal to 0. Okay, now for this, passing through the point minus 4 3 with slope half, so the equation will be y minus y1 equal to 3 equal to half of, that means m into x minus x0 x1, that means x1 equal to minus 4, so that will be plus 4. Okay, so it will be 2y minus 6 equal to x plus 4. Okay, implies x minus 2y plus 10 equal to 0. That will be your answer. Okay, so this is, just look at this, this is similar type of this. Okay, so here the equation will be y minus y1 equal to m into, here slope is m, so I write here m, x minus 0, that means, or y equal to mx. Clear? And just look at this, here passing through 2 comma 2 root 3 and the inclination with the x axis at an angle 75. So we know slope m equal to tan theta, here theta equal to 75, that means tan 75. So tan 75, how can we write this? Tan 45 plus 30. So that will be, just apply tan a plus b, tan 45 plus tan 30 divided by 1 minus tan 45 tan 30. Okay, so the value will be 1 plus 1 by root 3, here 1 minus 1 into 1 by root 3. So that will be root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1. Okay. If we rationalize this, we get 4 plus 2 root 3 divided by 2. So that will be 2 plus root 3. Okay. So we get the value of m. So the equation will be y minus, here y1 equal to 2 root 3 equal to 2 plus root 3 into x minus 2. Okay. So just calculate this, y minus 2 plus root 3 into x equal to minus 4 minus 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3. So that will be cancelled out. Okay. Or 2 plus root 3 into x minus y minus 4 equal to 0. Okay. Then look at this question. In exercise 1 to 8, find the equation of the line which satisfy the given condition, intercepting the x-axis at a distance 3 unit to the left to the origin with slope minus 2. So just look at here. Here this is x, this is y. So to the left to the origin, this is the origin, left means this side. So intercept 3 unit, that means this is minus 3 comma 0. Okay. So this point with slope m. So the equation will be y minus y1 equal to 0, here m equal to minus 2 into x minus 3, x minus 3, that means x plus 3. Okay. Or y plus 2x plus 6 equal to 0, or 2x plus y plus 6 equal to 0 will be the equation of the line. Okay. Now look at this question, intercepting the y-axis at a distance 2 unit above the origin and making an angle 30 degree with the positive direction of x-axis. That means this type of line, this is the 30 degree and this is the 2. That means this distance is 2. Okay. So the coordinate will be 0 comma 2. Okay. So here 30 degree with the positive direction. So the slope will be m equal to tan 30. That means 1 by root 3. Okay. So the equation will be y minus, here the point y1 equal to 2 equal to 1 by root 3 into x minus 0. Okay. So implies that root 3y minus x minus 2 root 3 equal to 0. Okay. Or x minus root 3y plus 2 root 3 equal to 0 will be the equation of the line. Okay. Now look at this question, passing through points minus 1 1 to minus 4. So this is the x1 y1, this is the x2 y2. So the equation will be y minus y1 is 1 equal to y2 minus y1, that means minus 4 minus 1 divided by x2 minus x1, that means minus 2 minus 1, that means 2 plus 1 equal to into x minus x1, that means minus 1 will be plus 1. Okay. So y minus 1 equal to minus 5 divided by 3 x plus 1. Okay. So it will be 3y minus 3 plus 5x plus 5 equal to 0, or 5x plus 3y plus 2 equal to 0. That will be your answer. Okay. Then look at this question. Find the equation of the line when the vertices of triangle PQ are where p equal to 2 comma 1, q equal to minus 2 comma 3 and r equal to 4 comma 5. Find the equation of the median through the vertex r. So just look here. This is the triangle PQ R. Okay. R 4 5, p equal to 2 1 and this is minus 2 3. So the median passing through R will be here. The will be intersect the PQ at the midpoint. Okay, that is x. So the as x is the midpoint of PQ, so the coordinate of PQ will be, coordinate of x will be 2 minus 2 divided by 2 comma 1 plus 3 divided by 2. Okay, that means 0 comma 2. Okay, so this point will be 0 comma 2. So the straight line passing through these 2 points. So the equation of Rx line will be y minus y1 equal to 2 here equal to y2 minus y1, that means 5 minus 2 divided by x2 minus x1, that means 4 minus 0 into x minus x1, that means 0. Okay, so that will be 4y minus 8 equal to 3x, or 3x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0. That will be your equation of the maiden. Okay, just look at this question. Find the equation of the line passing through minus 3 comma 5 and perpendicular to the line through 2 comma 5 and minus 3 comma 6. So a line passing through a point. Okay, and he is also perpendicular to a line which is passing through this point. So the line which is passing through this line, the slope will be, the slope of the line passing through 2 comma 5 and minus 3 comma 6 is m1. Okay, equal to, here y2 6 minus y1 5, x2 minus 3 minus x1, that means 2, equal to 1 divided by minus 5. Okay, as this line is perpendicular to this, so their slope will be, the multiplication of their slope will be minus 1, as the first line is perpendicular to the second. So m1 into m2 equal to minus 1, where m2 equal to the slope of second line. Okay, so just put here the value of m1, minus 1 by 5 into m2 equal to minus 1. So minus minus will be cancelled out and m2 equal to 5. Okay, so we get the slope of the line that is passing through minus 3 comma 5. So the equation of the line passing through minus 3 comma 5 with slope 5 is y minus, here y1 equal to 5 equal to m into, m means 5, x minus minus 3, that means plus 3. So that will be 5x minus y plus 5 plus 15 equal to 0, or 5x minus y plus 20 equal to 0. That will be the answer. Okay, just look at this question. A line perpendicular to a line segment joining the point 1 0 and 2 comma 3 divides it in a ratio 1:n. So find the equation of the line. So this is the line segment. Okay, and this line is perpendicular to this and divide this in 1:n ratio. Okay, so we will first find out this point, this intercept point. Okay, so as this line is intercept this in x point and divide it is 1:n ratio. Okay, so the coordinate of x is mx2 into nx1. We know that formula. If the line is divided into m:n ratio, so here m equal to 1. So m is into x2, that means 2, plus n, that means n, x1, that means 1, divided by 1 plus n, comma my2, that means 1 into y2 means 3 plus n y1, that means 0, divided by 1 plus n. Okay, so the coordinate is 2 plus n divided by 1 plus n, comma 3 by 1 plus n. Okay, so this line is passing through this point and the slope will be, here we first find out the slope of this line which is passing through 1 0 and 2 3. The slope of the line passing through 1 0 and 2 3 is, here y2 minus y1, that means 3 minus 0, divided by x2 minus x1, that means 2 minus 1, that means 3, equal to m1 let. Okay, and this line is perpendicular to this, so the multiplication of their slope will be minus 1, as the first line is perpendicular to this. So m1 into m2 equal to minus 1, where m2 equal to the slope of first line. Okay, so here just put the value of m1, that means 3 into m2 equal to minus 1. So, m2 equal to minus 1 by 3. So, the slope of this line will be minus 1 by 3 and it is passing through this point. So, the equation will be, equation of the first line will be y minus y1 mean 3 by n plus 1 equal to m into, that means minus 1 by 3 into x minus x1, that means 2 plus n divided by n plus 1. Okay. So, just 3 into n plus 1 into y, okay, minus 9 equal to minus of x into n plus 1 minus 2 plus n. Okay. So, it will be n plus 1 into x plus 3y into n plus 1 that will be your answer. Okay. Just look at this question. Find the equation of the line that cut off equal intercept on the coordinate axis and passing through 2, 3. So, the basic intercept form of a line is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Okay. So, here equal intercept, that means here a equal to b. So, just put this value x divided by a plus y by a equal to 1 or x plus y equal to a. This is equation number 1 and this line is passing through 2, 3. So, just put the value of x and y. Okay. So, as this line passing through 2, 3, we get, just put here the value of x, that means 2, and here y equal to 3 equal to a or a equal to 5. So, just put the value of a in equation 1. So, the equation of the line will be x plus y equal to 5. Okay, that will be your answer. Just look at this question. Find the equation of the line passing through 2, 2. Okay, and cutting off the intercept on axis whose sum is 9. That means the x intercept and the y intercept, the summation of these two will be 9. Okay, so the common intercept form is of the line is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Okay, so here a plus b equal to 9 or b equal to 9 minus a. Okay, just put this value in this equation 1. Okay, putting the value of b in equation 1, we get, what we get? X by a plus y by 9 minus a equal to 1 or 9 minus a into x, okay, plus a y equal to a into 9 minus a. Okay, this is equation number 2. Okay, now as this line is passing through 2, 2, so just put here 2 and 2. Okay, as this is passing through 2, 2, so this equation must be satisfy this. Okay, so we have 9 minus a into 2 plus a into 2 equal to a into 9 minus a or 18 minus 2a plus 2a equal to 9a minus a square, implies that 2a will be cancelled out, a square minus 9a plus 18 equal to 0, or if we factor this we get a equal to 6 or a equal to 3. So, just put here the value of a. So, the equation will be two types, just x by 6 plus y by 3 equal to 1 or x by 3 plus y by 6 equal to 1. So, if we solve this, we get x plus 2y minus 6 equal to 0, here 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0. So, two types of equation we will get. Okay. Then look at this question. Find the equation of the line passing through 0, 2 and making an angle 2 pi by 3 with the positive direction of x axis. That means the inclination. That means tan 2 pi by 3 equal to the slope m. Okay. Also find the equation of the line parallel to that line and crossing y axis as a distance 2 unit below the origin. Okay. Below the origin means in the negative direction. Okay. So here m equal to tan theta, that means theta here equal to 2 pi by 3, that means tan 2 pi by 3. So tan 2 pi by 3 equal to tan pi by 3 plus pi by 3. Okay. So just put here the tan a plus b formula. So tan pi by 3 plus tan pi by 3 equal to what? Tan 60, that means root 3 plus root 3. Okay. Divided by 1 minus root 3 square. That means 2 root 3 divided by 1 minus 3. That means 2 root 3 divided by minus 2. 2 will be cancelled out. That means root 3. So this is the M1. M1 means the line passing through 0.2. So the equation of the line will be y minus, here y1 equal to 2, m equal to minus root 3, x minus x1 equal to 0, or simply y plus root 3 x minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, that will be the equation. And also find the equation of the line parallel to this and crossing y axis at a distance 2 unit below the origin. So as this line is parallel to this, so the slope of that line will be same, that means minus root 3. So the slope of the line parallel to y plus root 3x minus 2 equal to 0 is minus of root 3. So the equation will be here y. Just look here, this line is to this, the distance is 2, that means minus 2. Here this point will be 0 comma minus 2. Okay. So y minus, here y1 equal to minus 2, that means plus 2 equal to minus of root 3 x minus 0. Okay. So the equation will be y plus root 3x plus 2 equal to 0. Okay. Then look at this question. The perpendicular from the origin to the line meet at minus 2 comma 9 and find the equation of the line. So this is the coordinate plane x, this is y, and this is origin. Okay. So here this line is L and the perpendicular from origin, let this is P minus 2 comma 9. Okay. And this is 0 0. So the slope of OP is here y2 9 minus 0 divided by x2 minus 2 minus 0 equal to 9 by 2 minus 9 by 2. So the slope of the L line is, as this is L is perpendicular to this OP, so the slope of L is 1 minus 1 divided by this slope. So the slope of L is minus 1 divided by minus 9 by 2, that means minus minus will be cancelled out, 2 by 9. And this line is passing through minus 2 9 and slope is minus 2 by 9, that means the equation of L is y minus y1 equal to 9 and here m equal to 2 by 9 x minus minus 2, that means plus 2. So that will be 9y minus 81 minus 2x minus 4 equal to 0, or 2x minus 9y plus 85 equal to 0. That will be your answer. Then look at this question. The length L in semi of a copper rod is a linear function of its Celsius temperature C. In an experiment, if L equal to 124.942 when C, that means temperature is 20 degrees Celsius, and L is 125.134 when C is equal to 1110. Express L in term of C. So just if we draw the axis, let here this is the temperature, okay, along the x axis, that means C, okay, and along the y axis this is the length, okay, that means L. So when the temperature is 20, the length is 124.942. So here this point, here we get the coordinate 20, 124.942, okay, and when C is 1110, length is 125.132, that means this point. Okay, so 1110 comma 125.134. Okay, so here we get 2 points P and Q. Okay, so the equation of the line, equation of L in term of C. Here L is along y axis, so in place of y we write L. L minus y1 equal to 124.942 equal to, here m equal to y2 minus y1, that means 125.134 minus 124.942 divided by x2 minus x1, that means 1110 minus 20 into x minus x1 equal to here 20. Okay, or L minus 124.942 equal to here 249.1.0. Okay, and here this is the 0.90. Okay, into x minus 20, or L equal to 0.192 divided by 9 x minus 20 plus 124.942. This is the expression. Okay, then look at this question. The owner of a milk store finds that he can sell 980 liters of milk each week at rupees 14 per liter. Okay, and 1220 liters of milk each week at rupees 16 per liter, assuming a linear relationship between selling price and demand. Okay, how many liter would he sell weekly at rupees 17 per liter? So here to find the relationship between the demand and the selling price, let along the x axis there is the selling price. Okay, and along the y axis let there is demand. Okay, so when demand is 980, the rate is 14 per liter. So when rate is 14 per liter, demand is 980. So this is a point, let P. So this is 14 980. Okay, and when demand is 1220, there the rate is 16. That means here, and this point will be here. This is the Q point. Here 16 comma 1220. So the linear equation, the equation will be y minus y1 equal to here 980 equal to m equal to y2 minus y1 980 divided by x2 minus x1, that means 16 minus 14 into x minus x1, that means 14. Okay, or y minus 980 equal to 0.42 divided by 2 x minus 14. Okay, or y minus 980 equal to 120 into x minus 14. This is a linear equation. Okay, here how many liter would he sell weekly at the rate 70 per liter? So we have to find the y. When x equal to 17, y equal to 980 plus 120 into x, x means 17 minus 14. So that will be 980 into 360. So that will be 1340 liter. Okay. Then look at this question. P, A comma B is the midpoint of a line segment between axes, so that the equation of the line is x by A plus y by B equal to 2. So just this is the x axis, this is the y axis. Okay, and this is the line L. Okay, and P is the midpoint, that means here P A B. So let this line intercept x axis at k comma 0 point and at y 0 comma h point. Okay, so let the line intercept x and y axis on k comma 0 and 0 comma h point respectively. Okay, so the equation of the line will be x by k plus y by h equal to 1. This is equation number 1, and P is the midpoint between these two intercept points. So we can write A equal to 0 plus k by 2 or k equal to 2a and B equal to h plus 0 by 2, that means h equal to 2b. So just putting the value of k and h in equation 1. So x by 2a plus y by 2b equal to 1 or x by a plus y by b equal to 2, proved. Okay. Now look at this question. Point R h comma k divided line segment between axes in a ratio 1:2. Find the equation of the line. So this is the axis x and this is y. Let this line segment. Okay. Here the intercept of P and Q. Let the coordinate of P is a comma 0 and this is 0 comma b, and R is the point. R is divide this line segment in 1:2 ratio. So let the coordinate of P and Q is a comma 0 and 0 comma b. Okay. As R is divide this line segment, so the coordinate of R is the coordinate of R is here m equal to 1 mx2, that means m into 0, 1 into 0 plus nx1, that means 2 into a, 2 into a divided by 2 plus 1, that means 3, and ny2, that means my2, that means 1 into y2 equal to b plus ny1, that means 2 into y1 equal to 0 divided by 3, that means that will be 2a by 3 comma b by 3, and this is the coordinate of h and k. So a equal to 3h by 2 and b equal to 3k. Okay. And the line passing through hk, the line passing through 0 comma b, 0 a comma 0, that means the intercept form. So x by a, y by b equal to 1, the equation of the line. Okay. And just put the value of a and b here. So x by 2x by 3h plus y by 3k equal to 1, or this can be written as 2x plus 2xk plus yh equal to 3hk. Okay. This is the equation of the line. Okay. Just look at this question. By using concept of equation of line, prove that these points 3, 0, -2, 2 and 8, 2 are collinear. That means that points are in same line. Okay. So firstly, by this 2 point, if a line is passing through this point, the equation, we can find the equation first. Okay. So the equation of the line passing through 3, 0 and -2, 2 is y minus, here y1 equal to 0 equal to y2 minus y1, that means -2 minus 0 divided by x2 minus x1 -2 minus 3 into x minus x1. Okay. Or y equal to -2 minus 5 x minus 3. Okay. Or minus will be cancelled out, 5y minus 2x plus 6 equal to 0. This is the equation of the line. Okay. So we get the equation of the line. If this equation satisfy for all of these points, then we can say these 3 points are collinear. So for the first, just put the here xy value. So for the point 3, 0, here just look, 5 into 0 minus 2 into 3 plus 6 equal to 0 minus 6 plus 6, 0. For this point, this equation is satisfied, and for the point -2, -2, this will be -10 minus plus 4 plus 6 equal to -10 plus 10 equal to 0, also satisfy this. Okay. And the for the point 8, 2, and the equation will be 10 minus 16 plus 6, that means 16 minus 16 equal to 0. Also for this point this equation has been satisfied. So for all these 3 points the condition has been satisfied. So we can say that these 3 points are, so these 3 points are collinear. Okay, that's all for today's class. We have practiced up to 9.2 of your NCERT textbook. Just practice all of this we have covered in this class, and if you don't watch the previous video, please watch this and then do this. Okay, if you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe our channel and share with your friends. Thanks for watching our video.